Alright, kiddies. This is the skate barn in Mount Pleasant. It's also known as the Greenhurst Skate Park and ATV track. Watch your step. Might seem kind of weird, nasty, whatever, don't matter for all the gnarly dudes. Come up the stairs. Come around this corner. Here's all the rules and shit. It's $3 a ride. Please sign in and release form, blah, blah, blah. Basically just pay. Don't be a bitch. Look at them trannies. Woo! Little spine mini ramp section. With a nice little whoop-de-whoop. Look at that. Jesus. Butter. Shit's got legit coping for all the OG dudes. Nice big old barrel coping. Got a 13-foot half pipe. The trannies on that bitch, they're fucking smooth, dude. It's made really nice. No little mini ramp or nothing like that. It's pretty legit. Everything's pretty well made. Come up the stairs over here in the back. Got a little 3.5 foot, 4 foot bowl. So good. Once again, it's got that nice coping for all the OG dudes who don't like fucking stalling on curves. PVC edge, hip coping, slides for days. You know, if you got them back tails, you'll be going around this corner like nothing. There's a couple holes in the bottom, but it's just because of like wear and tear. You know how to ride a bull or any sort of trainer, you can pump right over that shit. It's not even a problem. Oh, paradise.